To create this type of text effect in Photoshop, first select the Type tool and write your text. I am using this font. Next, right-click on the text layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Place the text over the image, press Ctrl+T to transform it. Scale it while holding the Shift key, and rotate it as needed. Right-click and select Warp. Then choose a default grid and adjust it to match the curve of the background image. Drag the Text Smart Object layer below the image layer. Make a copy of the image layer using Ctrl+J. Then hold Alt and click on the Layer Mask icon to invert the mask on the copied layer. Right-click on the image layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Click on the mask. Select the Brush tool. Increase the flow of brush. Make sure the foreground color is set to white, then stop brushing. And that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe and check out more.